Good morning, students. In previous class we learnt 5.2 exercise up to 8 sums. Now we will see 9th sum. A table was sold for rupees 2142 at a gain of 5%. At what price should it be sold to gain 10%? So a table was sold for rupees 2142 at gain of 5%. At what price should it be sold to gain 10%? If you want to get 10% gain, so we have to sold for how much? So here what is given here? SP is given, selling price is given 2042. So gain percent is given 5%. You have to find CP. When SP and gain percent are given, what is the formula for CP? 100 by 100 plus gain percent into SP. 100 by 100 plus 5 into 2142. 100 by 105 into 2142. So which table? 5 table. 5 20s, 5 21s. 7 table. 7 3s, 0, 7 6. 7 3s. Again this one 102 times. So multiply 20 into 102, that is 0, 402. So actual cost price is 2040. So now CP is given rupees 2040. Now we have to sell for gain 10%. Now we have to find SP. When CP and gain percent are given, what is the formula for SP? 100 plus gain percent by 100 into CP. That is 100 plus 10 by 100 into 2040. 110 by 100 into 2040. 0, 0, 0, 0 cancel. 11 into this one. So 2244. If you want to get 10% gain, you have to sold the table for rupees 2244 rupees. So like that you have to do this problem. Okay. Now we'll see the next sum. See the next sum. 10th one. Tenth sum. Gopi sold a watch to Ibrahim at a 12% gain, and Ibrahim sold it to John at a loss of 5%. If John paid rupees 1330, then find how much Gopi sold it. Okay. For example, here Gopi sold it watch to Ibrahim at 12%. So here for Gopi selling price you have to find. So CP of Gopi, CP of watch. So Gopi. So Gopi cost price. How much? Let it be taken as rupees X. Gopi sold it to Ibrahim at 12%, no? At 12% gain. So gain equal to 12%. Now SP, Gopi sold for how much? So SP formula 100 by gain percent, 100 plus gain percent by 100 into CP. 100 plus 12, 112 by 100 into X. So 4 table will go 4 2s 8, 4 8s 32, 4 25. 28x by 25. This is a selling price of Gopi. So it is a cost price of Ibrahim. CP of watch for Ibrahim. So Ibrahim CP is rupees 28x by 25. Ibrahim sold it for loss. So here loss is 5%. Now we have Ibrahim loss percent is there and CP is there. SP of watch for Ibrahim. So 100 plus directly you can loss, no, 100 minus loss by 100 into CP. CP is how much? 28x by 25. 95 by 100 into 28x by 25. 5 table, 5 20s, 5 19s. Okay. So 19 into 28. 19 into 28, 28 19s. 72. 530, 532x, 20 into 25, 500. So this is the selling price of Ibrahim. Selling price of watch Ibrahim. So it is sold to John, no? So it will be CP for John is nothing but 532x by 500. So John paid. CP of John already given, that is rupees 1330. So both are CPs of John. So we can equate. So 532x by 500 is equal to 1330. Now x, if you subject x, 1330 into this one, this fraction transpose that side, it becomes 500 by 532. So which table will go? You can see 7 table, 7 1 jar 7, 1 jar 7, 7 9 jar 0. Here 7 7 jar 49, 7 6 jar 42. Again which table will go? I think 4 table. 4 table will not go. 2 table will see. 2 3s, 2 8s, 2 9s. 18, 2 5s. Now, which table will go? 2 250s, 2 19s. It will go in 5 times. 5 into 250, that is 1250. So, this is the actual cost of Gopi. So, Gopi, how much Gopi sold it for that one? Rupees. So Gopi sold at rupees 1250. So this is the answer. So actually Gopi sold to Ibrahim with rupees 1250. Okay. Now we'll see next sum. 11th one. 11th one, we'll see. Eleventh one, Madhu and Kavita. Madhu and Kavita purchased a new house for rupees 3,20,000 due to same economic problems. They sold the house for rupees. They sold house for rupees 2,80,000. So find loss incurred and loss percentage. You have to find it. So here solution, CP of house rupees 3,20,000, SP of house 2,80,000. So here CP is more than SP, no, you will get loss equal to CP minus SP. 3,20,000 minus 2,80,000, that is 40,000. So loss is 40,000. So loss percentage is equal to loss by CP into 100. Actual loss we got 40,000 by actual CP 3,20,000 into 100. 4 zeros cancel. 4 table, 4 8 jar 32, 4 25s, 4 2s, 25 by 2, that is 12.5. So what is the loss percentage? 12.5%. 12.5%. So like that you have to do this problem. Now we will see the next sum. 12th one. A pre-owned car showroom owner bought a second-hand car for rupees 1,50,000. He spent rupees 20,000 on repairs and painting, then sold it for rupees 2 lakhs. Find whether he get profit or loss. If so, what percent? So if you get the profit, you have to find profit percent. If he gets loss, you have to find loss percent. So solution, CP of old car rupees 1,50,000, repairs rupees 20,000, total CP 1,50,000 plus 20,000, 1,70,000. Okay. SP is rupees 2 lakhs. Here SP is more than CP. Now you get gain. Gain means SP minus CP. 2 lakhs minus 1,70,000. Then you will get 30,000. So he got 30,000 profit. So gain percent. Actual gain by CP into 100. Actual gain he got 30,000 by CP 1,50,000 into 100. 4 zeros, 4 zeros cancel. 3 5s are 5 here 20. So 20% he got profit on this old car. Okay, students. So like that you have to do. So remaining problems we will discuss in the next class. Thank you.